5 SUVs with indestructible engines built to last a lifetime. Let's face it, folks. Cars can be a pain. They break down at the worst times, leaving us stranded on the side of the road with a sinking feeling in our stomachs and a growing hole in our wallets. But fear not, intrepid adventurers and weary commuters alike. Today we're ditching the duds and diving headfirst into the world of 5 SUVs built like brick outhouses, guaranteed to last longer than your favorite pair of jeans and probably your first smartphone. Hey gearheads, petrolheads, and everyone in between. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, your one-stop shop for all things automotive. Today we're shifting gears and talking about the holy grail for many drivers. Cars that just won't quit. We're talking about SUVs that can handle anything you throw at them, from weekend camping trips to the daily commute through the urban jungle. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's explore 5 SUVs with engines that are practically immortal. Toyota 4Runner, the unrelenting off-road companion. This iconic SUV is a legend for a reason. Its ruthlessly reliable reputation comes courtesy of its beefy design and legendary off-road capabilities. Think of it as a 4-wheeled mountain goat, conquering any terrain you throw its way. But the 4Runner isn't just about brawn. It boasts a spacious and comfortable interior, built to last and withstand years of adventure. Under the hood lies the heart of this beast, the 4LV6 engine. This power plant is renowned for its reliability and robustness, proven to rack up hundreds of thousands of miles with proper care. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or cruising through city streets, the 4Runner is a versatile and dependable choice for any adventure. Its combination of durability, capability, and comfort make it the perfect off-road companion for those who seek thrills off the beaten path. With a healthy 270 horsepower on tap and a 5-speed automatic transmission, the 4Runner offers decent power without sacrificing too much on fuel economy, which hovers around 15 mpg in the city and 20 mpg on the highway. RepairPal rates it a solid 4 out of 5 stars for reliability, and an intelligent variable valve timing system helps optimize performance and fuel efficiency. Honda CR-V, the reliable, everyman's choice. Honda has built a solid reputation for reliability, and the CR-V is a shining example. While recent generations might have seen some design tweaks, its core focus remains the same: practicality and dependability. Don't expect flashy features here. The CR-V prioritizes function over form with a basic but functional interior. When it comes to the engine, the latest one, 5L Turbo 4-cylinder, L15B Turbo, takes center stage. While a 2L hybrid option exists, the 5L shines for its superior reliability. The CR-V's spacious interior and comfortable ride make it a great choice for families or commuters looking for a dependable vehicle. With its reputation for longevity and low maintenance costs, the Honda CR-V is a practical and sensible choice in the crowded SUV market. However, it's important to acknowledge that earlier iterations of Honda engines faced some oil and fuel dilution issues. Thankfully, Honda has addressed these concerns through engine changes, software updates, and revised maintenance procedures. Mazda CX-5, the rising star with a reliable soul. The Mazda CX-5 is rapidly climbing the reliability rankings, giving veterans like Toyota and Honda a run for their money. It boasts a sleek design with sharp lines and a modern aesthetic, but don't let its good looks fool you. Functionality remains a core focus. The interior is thoughtfully designed, offering a comfortable and driver-oriented experience. Under the hood, the naturally aspirated 2L and 5L engines are the champions of reliability. While a turbo option exists, it's best to stick with the naturally aspirated variants for maximum durability. The CX-5's impressive fuel efficiency and smooth handling make it a standout choice in the competitive compact SUV market. With its combination of style, reliability, and performance, the Mazda CX-5 is truly a rising star with a reliable soul, Mazda's Sky Active technology and variable valve timing contribute significantly to the CX-5's impressive fuel efficiency and performance, making it a well-rounded choice for everyday driving and occasional adventures. All right, folks, we've tackled the off-road beast and the reliable everyday hero. But before we dive into the next contender, let's see how you're holding up. Are you feeling more pumped to conquer the road, or are you starting to crave a nap and a cup of coffee? Hit the comment section below and let me know. We've already met the three titans of the SUV world, but the adventure doesn't end there. Let's buckle up and explore a couple more contenders vying for the title of Most Indestructible SUV. Toyota RAV4, your everyday superhero without the cape. While the hybrid RAV4 might be the poster child for fuel efficiency, we're focusing on its non-hybrid sibling for its sheer reliability. It's a testament to Toyota's engineering prowess, offering practicality and dependability without sacrificing on some creature comforts. Think of it as your everyday superhero, ready to tackle the daily commute or weekend getaways with ease. This RAV4 boasts features like a roof rack for carrying your adventure essentials and a sunroof to soak up the sunshine on scenic drives. But the real star of the show lies under the hood. The 2.5L A25A FKS engine. This naturally aspirated powerhouse avoids potential turbo-related issues, making it a champion of longevity and reliability. With 203 horsepower and 184 pounds of torque, this engine provides ample power for any driving situation while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. The RAV4's combination of performance, comfort, and durability truly sets it apart in the crowded SUV market. Don't be fooled by its focus on durability, though. This engine delivers decent performance with its 203 horsepower and delivers a balanced fuel economy of around 28 mpg combined. It's the perfect choice for those seeking a reliable and practical companion for everyday adventures, big or small. Toyota Sequoia, the king of the concrete jungle. And maybe the off-road. If you're looking for an SUV with the presence of a mammoth in the heart of a lion, then look no further than the Toyota Sequoia. Sharing its engine with the legendary Toyota Tundra and the luxurious Lexus LX 570, this behemoth is built to last a lifetime. Think of it as the king of the concrete jungle, towering above other vehicles and commanding respect wherever it goes. Its massive size translates to ample interior space, perfect for families or those who love to travel in style. The Sequoia even boasts a luxurious interior that wouldn't feel out of place in a high-end sedan. With advanced safety features and impressive towing capabilities, the Toyota Sequoia is not just a showstopper on the road, but also a reliable and practical choice for any adventure. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road terrain, this SUV is sure to deliver a powerful and comfortable driving experience. But beneath its luxurious exterior lies the true beast, the 5.7LV8 engine, 3URFE. This workhorse engine is renowned for its longevity and power, churning out a whopping 381 horsepower. While its fuel efficiency might not win any awards, expect around 13 to 15 mpg combined, its sheer capability and towing capacity make it a perfect choice for those who prioritize power and practicality over fuel economy. Remember, maintaining this beast requires some additional attention. More frequent oil changes and potential water pump issues are things to keep in mind. However, with proper care, this Sequoia can easily become your faithful companion for generations to come. Alright folks, that's it for this round of Indestructible SUV champions. We've covered a range of options from the off-road warrior to the luxurious workhorse. But remember, this is just the beginning. We have more epic SUV journeys planned, so hit that subscribe button and buckle up for the ride. And if you're still wondering which Indestructible SUV is your perfect match, leave a comment below and let's chat. We're here at Car Computer Exchange to help you find the four-wheeled companion that'll take you on unforgettable adventures for years to come. Until next time, happy driving.